we go and eat that one. You realize that I'm making a video and you're making noise here. See what you're making? I'm making cassava. Oh, I've not tried this thing before here. This is my first time of getting this thing here. So this is how you cook it. When we're in Nigeria, this is how you cook it. Who can relate? You can relate. This is how you peel cassava. This is how you peel cassava.
They're talking to me right now.
I saw some people doing it like this. No, they do it like this. You bring out the knife. You scrape it like this. And you start getting it off. Very easy, very simple. Ah, we cut cassava day. Yeah. Sometimes when we come back from school like this, our mom, dad had already bring it out. We also start cutting. We'll cut, wash, we'll soak in the water. It's up. I want the camera to focus on what I'm doing. So basically all we're doing is clean it for. First you peel it, you wash it, and then you cook it. For this process, procedure, what will I say? For what we are making right now. Ignore the noises of these kids in the background, okay? I will not tell because I have kids, I will not make my videos. I just make my videos like I will make my videos. I gave him jollof rice, he said he wants white rice. I don't blame him. He has mommy that cooks everything and put in the fridge and then.
Okay,
now that it's finished, I say eat jollof rice, I will make white rice. Before it's jollof rice that is his favorite. Now it's not his favorite anymore. It's not his favorite. So we're gonna cook it now. Cook it until it's done to the fire. Here we have our cassava. It has been cooking for about 30 to 35 minutes now. It's soft already. You cook until it's soft. Yep. Then we're gonna get it done. Drain the water. Put cold water. Okay. So here I put it in the cold water already, and you just start slicing it to your desirable size. So what we are making is abacha. So you start cutting it like this. You slice it. This is how we get. Yeah, that's how we slice everything. Slice everything. Some people use breaker. They use breaker to make cassava. That's why we call it. Some people call it miri. Some people call it like in our case, Anambra, we call it miri. This is miri. Yeah. Or I don't know, but I know there are people that call it miri. Can you see what I am doing? So after this, we are going to soak it in the water for 12 hours. So as I'm making it now, this is around 2 4 in the evening. Till tomorrow morning it's ready to eat. Tomorrow morning you can eat it. Just soak it overnight. That is how we are taught. Soak it overnight, then you can now eat it. You can eat it with coconut. Yeah, that's how we eat it, with coconut. Sometimes we'll put oil. Oh god, we suffered growing up then in 90s. Growing up in 90s. Sometimes we put oil, red oil in a plate. We just pour it in there, turn it, and we'll be eating it just for oil. Come on, buy that for. It is well. It's a good food though. It's a good food. It's a good food. Tell me, will you be trying it? So this is a. Well, I'll be making. I said it in the beginning of this video. So I'm making cassava series. Yeah. So I'll be making the next one. I'll be making. You can leave it in the comment. Tell me what you want me to make again with cassava. Tell me. I'm gonna do it. Okay. But if I did not see any comment, I will do what I have in my mind. Okay, guys. Thank you all for watching this video. Okay. I love you. But still, stay tuned. We're not done yet. We ain't done. Hey, that's wolf. Save me land has no one. It goes to governors. Seeing this not more say. So farms, here we are. We have it here. So I have washed it. This is a nice day in the morning. I soak it for up to 12 hours. Now you can eat it. So what we are making was abacha. So people call it abacha. Our people in Anambra will call it abacha. I think I'm looking that way. Focus here. And we'll be eating it with coconut. Look at that. Do you know the combo? I think I'm home. I'm home right now. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. So yeah, I think we already have the winner. It's going to, the name of the person is going to be coming up with this video. Okay, so yeah, we made it. So we made abacha. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for gazing. I appreciate you all. Please do me a favor, like this video, share it, subscribe. If you are watching on YouTube, subscribe. If you are watching on Facebook, follow. If you are watching on TikTok, follow. Thank you. Bye-bye. Where will go?